Interfaces. Interfaces are syntactically similar to classes, but they lack instance variables and their methods are declared without any body. That is, the methods in the interface does not provide implementation. All the methods in the interface are abstract methods by default, and all the variables in the interface are final and static variables by default. The syntax for interface is access, interface, interface name, and inside it return type, method name 1, parameter list, and it continues for method name 2, method name 3, and so on. Type final variable 1 equal to value, and it continues for variable 2, 3, and so on until n. Once an interface is defined, any number of classes can implement it. One class can implement any number of interfaces. All methods and variables are implicitly public if the interface itself is declared as public. Interfaces are designed to support dynamic method resolution at runtime. Through interfaces, we disconnect the definition of a method or set of methods from inheritance hierarchy. They are mainly used to implement multiple inheritance in Java. Implementing interfaces. Once an interface is defined, one or more classes can implement that interface. To implement the interface, we use the keyword implements. The prototype of implementing interfaces in Java is class, class name, implements, interface name, and inside this class, implement methods of implemented interface will be given. And the prototype for implementing multiple interfaces is class, class name, implements, interface name 1, interface name 2, and implement methods inside it. And the syntax for implementing multiple inheritance with interface is class, class name 1, extends class name 2, implements interface 1, interface 2. Following is the example program on interface. Callback is the interface, and callback method of int p is the interface method in interface with parameter p. Class client implements callback. Client is the derived, callback is the base. Here we used the concept of inheritance, and using the same interface method, callback method of int p, printing p, giving test interface class to call the method and print the output. Client or callback c equal to new client or callback method. C dot callback method of 10. P value is given 10, so it prints output as implementation of interface method 10. Extending of interfaces. One interface can inherit another by the use of the keyword extends. The syntax is same as inheriting classes. When a class implements an interface that inherits another interface, then the class must provide implementations for all the methods defined within the interface inheritance chain. Prototype of extending of interfaces is interface, interface name 1, extends interface name 2.